This is a non-stick grill pan for stovetops from SENSARTE. It comes nicely packed. The material here is aluminium and it looks to be very well constructed. This has a granite style non-stick coating. The overall finish looks clean and premium. Here's the base. It's made from stainless steel. This helps distribute heat quickly and evenly. This pan is compatible with electric, gas, and even induction stovetops. It includes power spouts on both sides, making it easy to drain excess liquids. The handle comes separately in a box. It has a wood grain style design and it feels solid. This design makes the storage easier. A screwdriver is also included to attach the handle. Just remove the screw here. Attach the handle. Put the screw back in and tighten it with the screwdriver. And it's ready to use. The grip feels comfortable and secure. Let's test it on an induction stove to make sure it's compatible. It works great on induction. Overall, this non-stick grill pan is well designed, easy to use, easy to maintain, and highly recommended.